steering wheel restoration. Here we have our Morgan steering wheel. Now this is for a Morgan three-wheeler from the early mid-1930s. This is a brand new wheel, and it comes complete with the control bar segment there, and you can see these are what's known as Malcolm Campbell wheels with these distinctive slots on the spokes. But this wheel comes with a thicker stainless steel core rather than the original sprung steel core, so it's a rigid wheel, and the spokes are permanently welded into the rim, even though they've got the illusion of fixings there. But that's a brand new Morgan steering wheel. This is what it replaces. This is an original Morgan steering wheel, and you can see this has got sprung spokes, and they've been chromed and they're rusty, and obviously these are pretty flexible.